Uh, to what greater source of inspiration can we turn to than the imperishable truths to be found in that treasure house called the Holy Bible? That's a quote from Elizabeth Alexandra Mary II, the Queen of Australia. I would love to debate her because I challenge that she's fostering pedophilia with a fucking religion. Or kids had to fuck their siblings for the survival of the race. So, how many apples do you buy a week? You know, Charles is fanged out because he fucking hated what you were saying to him. It's you can see it in his face, and you also don't want to give him any rain. You know, who is wise enough or knowledgeable enough about the Christian faith to debate me? That story, and then the Queen will go, oh, maybe Rolf Harris, when he did his gig with the third leg, maybe that's why he went after kids. No. Listen, you told him, Queen bitch. You told him the whole human race was born of inbreeding in a garden. That's what you told him. You made him. You made him. And you made an enemy. You made an enemy. Don't touch the apples. Shh. Great women's rights initiative there. Pedophilia and no women's rights from a woman. I submit to you, you are a lesbian in denial. Tell me otherwise, Elizabeth Alexandra Mary II. I've answered your question. To what greater source of inspiration can we turn than to the imperishable truths to be found in that treasure house called the Holy Bible? I've answered your question. Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. That's where you can fucking turn. Do you have a reply? I challenge that you are fostering pedophiles while attributing the cause of their pedophilia to other things than the story of all the fucking in the Garden of Eden. Soon I will be in America, where I can rape your mind properly. Stupid queen. Stupid queen.